On the 3rd of October, I entered the trade on EURNZD. You can see me placing my take profit and my stop loss. The trade ran for about a week. It was a swing trade. I cleared out 173 point something pips profit from this one. It was a very simple trade. It didn't take much time to analyze. Actually, it was one of those trades you just take one look at it and you know exactly what the market is going to do in the next few days. So it was a result of my weekly prognostication. Now I want you to see the idea I had, from this, the idea behind this trade. I want to show you something. I don't usually do this, but let me just show you something. Okay, so you see this high over here. All right, you see that price reached up, tried to take out this high, could not. Usually we call it high resistance liquidity run. It tried to run out the buy stops up here, but could not. Okay, the reason why it could not, it was because price was looking for an open float down here. All right, if we go back further into the chart, you will see that over here, okay, this is their liquidity pools under here that price is looking to to take out. Okay, price reached down up until this place, came down and cleared out liquidity. You can see this red line. This is the area I marked out as my stop loss, and that was, you can see how price at this point, okay, under this zone was below this red line. You can see it here. All right, look at this low down here. Okay, so I knew price was going to try to reach into that low the second time, and when it did and reversed, I waited for my confirmation. My confirmation was a shift in market structure. At this point, I knew that if markets could just overcome this high, that this would be a little price displacement over here. I knew that market structure was going to shift if it could break this high, and when this high was broken up here, you can see this little that came up right here to break this high. So I waited for price to retrace back into this zone, and this red candlestick, you see the little retracement. If we drop low into other time frames, you see that this red wick represented a trend. Okay, I don't think I have the liberty to go fully into details, but if this was my mentorship class, this is just a sneak peek of what my mentorship class looks like. So this red candlestick signified a drop down, a little retracement back into this zone. Okay, that was my signal to enter. So I entered the trade, and as you can see, price went up, got here, broke this high, and took out the liquidity above these two. That was why I put my take profit right on top of these two equal highs over here. Okay, these two equal highs, if you know anything about liquidity, you know that there was liquidity resting over here, and since price has already broken this high, I knew that price was seeking to take out these two highs. Okay, this is just a sneak peek of how much value my students gain on a daily basis just from trading with me, from learning from me. Just send a DM to be a part of this. My doors are wide open.